Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook something went wrong. To know how to fix Facebook something went wrong, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here, and you will enter like this. Sorry for that, Facebook. After that, in this page you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and then in this page you will click clear cache. After that, you will go to click clear data, and after all that, when you will end, you will click you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.